welcome to today's video. So we are opening up a limited edition Black Friday box by Glossybox. And you guys, they have been just killing it with their box designs lately, haven't they? I love this one. Let me show you up close, kind of far. So this limited edition box seems like the best one yet. So I'll just tell you a little bit about it. It doesn't launch until Friday, so actually Black Friday the 27th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I just wanted to post this tonight so you guys can get a chance to watch this video and also to decide if you want to get it or not. So for subscribers of Glossybox, this box costs only $20. And if you're not subscribed, it's $25. I do have a link and code I will share down below. It's not affiliated, it's just like track what orders I bring in, if that makes sense. But if you want to subscribe and save on this deal, so you'll save $5 on the limited edition box, and you'll also get your first Glossy box for only $16. Normally it's $21 a month. If you guys are curious what the normal subscription box is like, I will leave a playlist or some recent videos unboxing them down below. So before we get started, disclaimer, my cat makes a meow appearance at least. He may make a physical appearance too every time I film lately. It's odd, but and also I want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And subscribers, don't forget there is an 11K subscriber giveaway going on. It's a big thank you. So if you have not yet entered, you still have time. I will link that at the end of this video so you can check out the prizes and learn how to enter next. So this box, I was saying, seems like the best yet because there are 11 products in here. Like it's a mix between full and deluxe size. I only know one of the items because my friend Nikki told me, and I'm really excited just about that. I won't spoil it yet. Yeah, 11 products for $20 or $25 if you don't want to subscribe or aren't subscribed. So that's why I think it's the best yet. I've opened a few limited edition boxes. Again, I'll link those too below if you want to see. So it's kind of heavy. Let's get this pretty box open. The boxes are always so sturdy so you can repurpose them. I love it. And I open it up. Glossybox Black Friday edition. I'm kind of far from the camera. I don't know if you guys have been able to tell, I'm like testing out different like lighting and camera like angles and stuff like that. I guess not angles, like height, I don't know. But I'm testing it out, so I don't know if you'll be able to see everything well. So it's in tissue paper that matches the outer box. Isn't that pretty? Let's do a little sneak peek and see if I can do it without spilling. Wow, I noticed one thing right away. Oh, I mean, I didn't show you that close, but I didn't spill anything. Let's see, is there a card? Oh, the card was on top, duh. So in here it will give a little note from the Glossybox team, and then it has all the items. And look, it goes on to the next side. There's so many. Yay. So let's start off with the item I noticed first that is full size. So I've gotten this dry shampoo in a few boxes over the past few months, and I'm not complaining. I will never complain about getting dry shampoo. Yesterday I actually opened a dry shampoo like discovery box. If you guys missed that video, I was talking about some other Black Friday deals, including beauty brands, which has a bunch of stuff like the dry shampoo special. And also I'm wearing Ana Luisa jewelry right now. The necklace I opened yesterday, but the earrings are from a previous unboxing. I'm not sure if you could tell because I'm kind of far away, but if you guys want to check that out, I'll link that down below. I'm like really pushing my videos. I don't mean to be, but just had to throw it out there in case you missed it. So this is full size. It's by Collab. And it is $5.49. Nice. And this other item looks full size too, so let's look at this. Oh, it's CBD. I actually am testing out some CBD right now, so look forward to that. This is the CBD FX Soothing Bath Bomb, and it contains 200 milligrams of CBD, and it is in a lavender fragrance. So far, I think I'm liking CBD. So full size, and it is $7.99. They say it's a great way to decompress. So yeah, it'll help your joints and muscle pain. That's what I was thinking about. I was like, because I've had some back pain. I injured my back like a week ago. It's getting a little bit better, but I'm totally going to try this out and see if it helps. I'm excited about that. And then this is full size. Wow, this is such a good box for $20. CiCi London Stamp and Drag. So I think I received this in a past Ipsy before, but I gave it away. I like tried it once, but I gave it to a friend who's like a beginner. I mean, I'm still a beginner with eyeliner. Let's get real. So this is like, one end is a liner and the other is like a stamp. So you can just put the wing on. So I'm not gonna open it because I have like 3 eyeliners open right now because I'm trying to learn how to do it better. Because my eyes are like different shapes and different levels of hoodedness. So it's, yeah, it's a learning process. But, oh, I didn't even tell you guys the price of this one. So this is on the back, and it's full size, of course, and it's $19. This is almost the price of the box. That's crazy. Next up, it looks like we have tweezers by Basic Beauty, and I know it because it says it on the box. So let's see what these look like. I have a confession. I haven't even touched my eyebrows with anything in years. I was like hoping, well, I have touched them with lash serum and eyebrow pencils and stuff, but I've been hoping like the lash serums would work on my eyebrows. No. But I think I should start to. Someone teach me. But yeah, these are like pink. I love that they're pink. I'll like take pink anything. And these are $6, and this is a full-size item. How often are you supposed to like replace tweezers and stuff? I mean, if you clean them, they probably last a long time, right? Oh, I see something I recognize, and then something also new from the brand. So these are like hair masks, and they're really good. So the first one is, well, they're both by Unwinked by Hask, and it's Brut Rosé inspired Color Protect and Hydrate Deep Conditioner. And it's a packet, but this lasts a bunch of uses, especially if you don't use it like daily, like if you use it like every 4 or 5 days like me. And then the next one is the same. It's also a Color Protector and Revitalized Deep Conditioner, but it is Provence Rosé inspired. Ooh. I still haven't broken into my wine from the Vino box I opened recently. And this is kind of tempting me. The day I'm filming this is like, we used to call it like Black Wednesday or Blackout Wednesday before Thanksgiving. I was thinking about that. I'm like, gosh, that was like so fun. I'm like, do I miss that? I'm like, I don't think I can handle like going to the bars, like all drunk, like when you're home from college for Thanksgiving break. Did you guys do that? Were you as big of a party animal as me? But these packets are full size and $3.99 each. Oh my God, you guys, there's a lot of full size in here. Like this has got to be full size, whatever this is. It looks like it might be a lip mask, judging by the back. Dr. Baber Hydro RX 3D Hydrogel Lip Pad. There's 4 in here, and it's cooling hydrogel with hyaluronic acid for plump, youthful-looking lips. Ooh, I've been nervous to put much on my lips lately, but I think they're healed now. I had a reaction to something. I had a couple of reactions. What's going on? I guess I do try a lot of stuff. Okay, maybe now you can see that. Oh, it's still reflective when I take the plastic out. Wow, this is full size and $29. I'll add up the total and put it on the screen when I'm editing, by the way. So there's the 4 packets here, and they match the outside. So it looks like you just apply it to cleanse dry lips, and then leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then massage any leftover like essence or residue on your lips. So like how you use a sheet mask. Interesting. Have you guys used this? I've gotten lip masks before, but I couldn't tell if anything like if it worked that well. And I don't like when they're fragrance, so hopefully this one isn't, because I tried a fragranced one once and it did bother me. Fragrance is on the bottom of the list, so yeah, I would love to know. Do you guys think these work? And then it says, introducing Sets Blot and Translucent Powder Single Dose Cosmetic Compact Bye Oil and Shine. I could use this now. I can tell my like oils are coming through, aka my sweat glow. Let's see. Apparently it's available at CVS. Oh, and there's multiple packets of them. I think that's a neat idea. Like if you are out and about. Individually packed. Oh, so there's a blotter too. I've had something like this from Beauty Blender before. It's been a while. I think I got it, well, I know I got it in a subscription box, so maybe like an old Sephora or something like that, when that was a thing. Cool. It's disposable, single use, and completely recyclable, so that's good. So it's not super wasteful that you could. And it's made using wind and solar power, and it's cruelty-free. Cool. So this is deluxe size, I would guess, right? Yeah, so there's 3 times single dose. The full size would be 15 sheets. We got 3, and it's $9.99. So yeah, I'll do that math and calculation of everything later. So we have 4 things to go still, and the rest, it looks like, no wait, 1 might be full size, so let's do that one next. This is by Perique Reface Me Vitamin C Serum. It's 1 fluid ounce, and that's the standard size for serums. And I'm almost done with my vitamin C serum. I have like the powder stuff I haven't tried yet that we got in Allure, right? But this just seems easier to use than like having to crush up powder. I don't even know, mixed powder. It's not really that hard. I Can you tell I'm a little lazy, especially before bed? So yeah, full size, and it's $28. This is more in the box. That's awesome. I don't know this brand. I need to look into it, but I am excited to get it. And usually vitamin C comes in like an amber jar or something just because it can degrade fast. So if you do open this, make sure you use it to make sure the vitamin C is active. How about now I show you what I'm so excited about. So my favorite perfume, it's just a mini, but I'm still so psyched because I brought it up because I knew it was, I literally used the last drop of the last Arizona I had. So I've had the full size. It comes in like 5 sizes. I don't think I had the biggest size, but like the one down like 100 milliliters. Use that up. I've had 2 of these and now I just use this up. I had one of these mini guys here. I love these. They're like, look like little perfume bottles, and it shattered recently. And I like, cleaned it up, and then I used my Dyson to make sure there wasn't any glass on the ground. And now every time I vacuum, it smells like this. I'm like, okay, that's fine. But look how cute. I'm so excited to have this in my life again because perfume's expensive and I just have so much stuff and like samples of perfumes. I don't want to like spend money on it. I want to use what I have. So I'm so happy to get this. So yeah, the full size would be 50 milliliters and, oh, that's what I had, maybe. I don't know, but it doesn't matter. And that is $100. So like, yeah, you guys know fragrance is expensive. So this is like 10 ml or something. What's in here? Let's say in the box. 5 mls. Okay. So yeah, this stuff smells so good. Let's see if it says the fragrance notes, because even though I've used it forever, I don't know how to describe scents. And they always do such a good job in a funny way. So blooming with a white cactus accord and a unique mineral signature, this fragrance will give you a feeling of adventure, beauty, and mystery. I love it. Yay. 2 things to go. I feel like this is the longest Glossybox unboxing ever, and I said I wouldn't be chatty so I'd get this video up, but I mean, I will get it up. You're watching this, so see me rambling? I just love talking to you guys. Where is this on here? I don't see it, so it must be like a variation item, but I have the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. I've used this before and I do like it, and it smells really good. But the thing in here I think that I got different from it is by Kiehl's, and I'm not complaining because Kiehl's is not cruelty free and this is. So I don't have the exact pricing and stuff, but this is like, it says it's a lightweight, oil-free, gel-free, refreshes and moistures. Yeah, I like this line of products, the watermelon line. I feel like we've gotten a lot of it in boxes in the past, but I don't currently have this. And then the last item in here is by Rovectin, and this is their Skin Essentials Activating Treatment Lotion. So I think this is kind of like an essence. And obviously it's a mini. The full size is 180 milliliters and $29, and we received 15 milliliters in here. And yeah, it's a vegan anti-aging barrier repair complex. So it's a toner and essence in one. So a lot of essences and toners now like moisturize your skin a bit. And it says it also evens texture and neutralizes free radicals. I'm excited to try this out. I'm excited for everything, you guys. I think, like, even before I knew everything that was coming in here, just the perfume, just the description of it, 11 products, and a lot of full-size ones for $20. Like, this is actually a legit good Black Friday deal. So, if you guys like it, make sure to, like, set a reminder, because I know their limited edition boxes do sell out every time, and this is the best yet, in my opinion. What do you think? So yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you again for being here and unboxing this with me. Special thanks to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn the perks and join. I would love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a great Thanksgiving, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.